The gate, a node used to control the flow of signals through your device. When the gate is allowed, it passes signals from the try to send port out the pass port, but when it is not allowed, it blocks any signals. The allowed status can be controlled through this port here, or through allow and block here. Let's say you wanted to send the output from this dial to this gauge, but only when this switch was on. The gate would be perfect for this. All you'd have to do is send the output analog value to try to send and connect pass to the value. Now connect the switch on to allow and the switch off to block. Now when the switch is turned on, it will allow the signal to pass, but when the switch is turned off, it will block the signal. So now the switch is off, it should block the signal, and when I turn the switch on, it should allow the signal. Here's an example of where I use gates in one of my devices. In my skid steer, I need to block the gamepad interface controls when you're not in the skid steer. And I'm doing that as simple as sending both the left stick x-axis and left stick y-axis through a gate here. And I connected docked on the docking station to allow and undocked to block. So now when you dock to the docking station, it allows both these gates to send the signals through. But when you're undocked, it will block both these gates so no signals can get through.